Hi everyone, this is Kathy Grosskirth with Bookkeeping Clean and Simple here in Austell, Georgia near Metro Atlanta. And today I want to show you something relatively new that I discovered working with my Kathy bookkeeping test file. It has to do with receipt capture, and basically I'll just go ahead and show you from the standpoint of using the mobile app, because as many of you know, the mobile app you can use to snap pictures of your receipts. Now I'm going to go through the process of actually doing this with a Publix receipt that I have, and you can see how this enhancement works. So basically I'm going through the process of snapping a photo of this receipt from the app, and of course I had to fast forward and cut some pieces out because of the lighting where I was at was not that great. So once I was able to snap that receipt picture, it, as you can see, it has actually attached itself inside the QuickBooks Online file. Now let me also show you how this looks like from the QuickBooks file itself. So when we go over here to the receipt area, you can click on the Receipts tab and you can see it in here. So basically it looks like it has capturing everything it needed to capture, except for some of the other things you would have to go in there normally and you would review and all this. But let me show you what happens on the banking side now. And you'll also see this with this Buc-ee's receipt that I have here. I'm going to switch back over to the banking center. And remember those two receipts that are in there, including the Publix one that I just scanned. If you go down and look, you will actually see, okay, so here's that Publix receipt that I just scanned. It says one match found. If we open that up, you'll go down to the bottom and it's going to show you a little blurb that says we have found a receipt that matches this transaction and attached it for you. So basically all you have to do is you have to go up here to the vendor customer to select that and then categorize that how you want to, and then you can just go ahead and add it. And so that way it takes care of doing the matching pretty much automatically, whereas before you would have to go through this convoluted rigmarole to do that. So I really like that it takes it upon itself now to match that, and it will also add that receipt as an attachment. So let's try that out real quick just so you can see. I'm going to go ahead and say miscellaneous retail vendors, because that's basically what this is. And we're going to go ahead and add that transaction. And so now we're going to go back up here and let's do the Buc-ee's one just so we can see. And it's done the same thing here. We found a receipt that matches that transaction. And this is also going to be owners. It would help if I could type good. Paying personal expenses, and I'm going to go ahead and add that. So now if I go back over here to the categorized area, you'll see both of those receipts are in there. And if we just click on, let's just go ahead and click on the Publix one since that's the one that I showed you, and go ahead and just click on the hot link so that way you can see the actual transaction that it added in here. And you can see here's the receipt attached. And there you go. So pretty neat, I think. So with that being said, it just, to me, simplifies that whole process. So basically when you're adding the receipt, it tries to match it to whatever in the banking area. So that way you don't have to really fool with it in the receipts area. You can just go back to the banking area and look to see where it matched up to and then handle it from there. So basically that's all I have for today. Y'all take care and have a wonderful week, everyone, and we will see you soon. Thank you for watching. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and share it with others. My goal is to publish at least one new video per week on QuickBooks desktop or online topics, the occasional motivational video, and a few surprises thrown in here and there. I would love to talk to you about how to help you optimize your knowledge and usage of QuickBooks desktop or online. My Calendly link is in the slide. please use that to reach out to me to schedule a free 45-minute initial consult. I would love to talk to you about your QuickBooks desktop or online training needs. Again, have a wonderful day, and until next time, we'll see you soon. Take care.